Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 10 days of May. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign, Venus sign, and the name sign. For the personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. And yes, for additional readings, you can follow me on Instagram. The link is given in the description box, and there the readings are done in Hindi as well as in English. Okay. So, Cancerians, let's see what's in store for you. Okay, let me see what are the messages from this deck for Cancerians. Wow. Guidance from the angels for Cancerians. Message from the universe. Okay, let's see, two cards have flipped out. Okay, so I'll take both of them. Put this here and put these here. Okay, so Cancerians, seems to be a pretty powerful and an important reading for you. So let's get started. Cancerians, there is something you are holding back from. You are trying to balance a situation or a relationship or whatever it is in your life. You are trying to balance it, and you're doing it very wisely. You are holding off from something. You're closed off to something. You're totally closed off to something, not investing at all, and trying to balance the situation according to what your inner voice has to say. Okay, so, and this inner voice of yours is guiding you and is also leading you towards wish fulfillment. Remember that. Whatever your intuition is guiding you right now, if it says close off, it's okay, good, do that. It's good for you, because whatever your intuition guides you, it may be a stepwise guidance for you perhaps, but it will definitely illuminate your path towards wish fulfillment. Remember that. Okay, so you are balancing a situation and you're closing off. Definitely you're closing off to something. It can be you're closing off in each and every way uh, to something in your life or someone in your life, and that is how you are balancing yourself or balancing your life. Okay, so you've stopped investing in something totally, and that is the right guidance for you, because it is going to give you a lot of healing, as well as your wishes will be fulfilled. It is the right direction for you, and once you are closing off the thing, what I am getting is the situation ends. So basically what is happening is you have chosen to end this situation. That's what I feel. Your intuition says, your inner voice says that it is the right thing to do, and if it doesn't say, as for now, you would just listen to your inner voice. You will definitely get that answer, that this situation, this relationship, whatever it is, it needs to end. It has to end. If you don't do it, destiny will do it for you, but yes, it has to end. There are three major arcanas out here playing this scenario, and what I feel is it has to happen. It has to happen. It is a major event in your life which is beyond your control. It has to end. Just close off to the situation. If you're not closing it off, close it off. You have to do that. Stop investing in whatever it is. Try to balance your situation, try to balance your life, and you will get the healing. Just listen to what your inner voice has to say, because your inner voice is the guiding light towards happiness or to the right path for you right now. Okay, with the Five of Swords and with the Four of Swords, what I feel is definitely the situation is ending. The death and with the Five of Swords, things are uh, sort of, it is like uh, everything is ending, people are leaving, and the scenario is ending, or this relationship is ending, but things are ending. There is a dispute or a fight or whatever it is. It is a total uh, jumble of emotions. Even if it is a heated argument, it can be anything, but definitely there is something which is causing a disruption of energies, disruption of this relationship, disruption of this situation. Whatever it is has to die, it has to end. Okay, and with the Four of Swords, this is a beautiful energy. Just surrender yourself to it, because it has to happen. It has to happen. Just give your time to healing. Heal yourself, pray, meditate, do whatever you need to do. Stop investing in it totally. You need to stop investing in it, and do not try to save it, okay, because you won't be able to do that. Stop investing your energies to save this, whatever it is, if you are trying to do that. Okay, either it has to be a wise decision on your part, that you realize that there is no point in investing in this situation, and you do, if you are doing it willfully, it will come to you peacefully comparatively. And if you are struggling to hold on to it, and you're struggling to save it, then it may cause some sort of pain to you, obviously, because resistance will lead to pain, because you have to surrender to it. And the moment you do that, release the situation. Just see, with the Page of Wands and the Nine of Pentacles, you will be able to move forward in a new energy. There is a new beginning in your life. Just give yourself the time. You will have that abundance. Heal yourself, spend the time alone, rejuvenate yourself. You have to build yourself first, okay, and you will be doing that. You have to invest in yourself. This is a time of investing in yourself. And just see here, with the Three of Pentacles, you are stepping up. Slowly you will come out of this negativity. You will step up to your situation. You will heal, you will come out of it. And here with the Fool in this deck, and immediately followed by the Fool of the other deck, it is definitely a new beginning, towards which you are very enthusiastic. You are ready to move on. You are ready to close off this situation. And what vibe which I am getting is peaceful blossom is sort of awaiting your way. Okay, it is a peaceful blossom. You will be very happy. Just have the faith, take the leap of faith, leave whatever it is, let it die, let it close off to it, and be ready for a new beginning. It is there on the horizon. That is what you have to do, and that is what is happening. You don't do it, you resist it, you will cause the pain to yourself. There is no point in holding on to it, because you have to release it. Okay, a fresh new life is waiting for you, and the only thing is you have to release it. Okay, it's only the matter of time. Release it. The beautiful life is waiting for you, Cancerians. What are the guidance from the angels? Five of Emotion. Forgiveness is an important part of healing. Forgive yourself and those around you for any mistakes of the past, so that everyone can move forward. Grieving is a normal part of life. Ask your angels or those you love to help you move through the process quickly, so that you can get back on the path to joy. What did I say? If this situation involves healing, because definitely there is a dispute, there definitely it is a major ending of your life. Whatever this ending is, it is something major. Okay, so it can be emotional, it can be professional, whatever it is, but it is this situation which is ending has been important for you. It is a major ending. So if it involves obviously some sort of an argument, some sort of fight, so you need to forgive them, you need to forgive yourself, let go of the past, grieve what you have to grieve. This is the grieving part with the Four of Swords. Surrender, pray, meditate, do whatever you need to do. Just grieve, take the time you need to grieve, and then come out of it. And you are doing that with the Page of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles, replenishing your resources, replenishing your energy, stepping up to your life, and starting ahead. Just see, if you need help, take help for people. Do whatever you need to do. Ask your angels or those you love. Angels means your God, whomsoever you believe in, to help you to move through the process quickly. Don't get stuck up there in this healing only. Do not grieve for such a long time that you are able, that you are not able to move forward in this new beginning. Okay, so you take whatever time you need to grieve, but don't be held up in this grieving energy for a long time, because here a new beginning is waiting for you. Okay, so that you can get back on the path to joy. So path of joy is waiting for you. And what is the messages from the universe? Number 48 or number 35 may be of some significance for you. Speak the language of love. Loving words have the power to change lives, including your own. So this talks about the forgiveness which is coming in this card. So to forgive, you have to speak the language of love to your own self, to your people around you, so that you are able to release this negativity. Okay, demonstrate love. Find out what is important to those you love and act on it. So you need to start a new life. For that, you need to know what is important for those whom you now move ahead in life with. So basically, both the cards talk about the fact that you need to speak the language of love, or you need to demonstrate love to yourself and to those around you, so that you yourself, this love will help you to heal yourself. It will help you to talk softly and kindly to yourself. Don't be harsh to yourself. Be kind to yourself. If there has been some mistake on your part or on the part of others, you need to release that. Be kind to yourself and let it all go, and it will help you heal. That you will come in a place of positivity once you are able to place yourself in a position of love, or in a mindset of love. Okay, so once you are able to do that, you will be able to release this negativity sooner, and the sooner you do that, you will be able to come to the path of joy as soon as you release it. The sooner you release the negativity, sooner you are back to the positive energy of love, sooner you will be able to I should say have the fruits or enjoy the fruits of this Fool, which is a new beginning in your life. It's just on the corner. Cancerians, release whatever is coming your way. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.